37's humming on a no-name road. Got the windows cracked, blowing back that homegrown smoke. Twin turbos talking over Alice in Chains. Got a fresh coat of mud on the jet black paint. Take that EFI, turn it up to 5. Make a country boy get high. On 600 horses, gonna let 'em run. Got the hammer on the middle like a loaded gun. They'll hear me coming from a mile away in a Duramax Chevrolet. Gonna ride until it lights up, the fuel light up in that 4x4 door, 3/4 ton Z71. It ain't John Deere green, it ain't night red, but it'll walk the dog on a pulling sled. 100,000 miles, barely broken in, burning rubber trying to chase the wind. With all them 600 horses, gonna let 'em run. Got the hammer on the middle like a loaded gun. They'll hear me coming from a mile away in a Duramax Chevrolet. Gonna ride until it lights up, the fuel light up in that 4x4 door, 3/4 ton Z71. The fuel light up in that 4x4 door, 3/4 ton Z71.
Was coming in, and now you're backing out. It's hard to talk big with a shotgun in your mouth. I'm glad you brought your friends. They can watch it go down. I got mine too. So welcome to my house. 'Cause these are my people, and this is my land. And this is what we pray for, and this is God's plan. And if you ain't from here, then you won't understand. This is my country, and this is who I am. So welcome to my house.
Through a bar patch, getting cut up. Same old jeans and they all tore up. It's 25/8, gotta get it out the slums. Sitting around a barrel while you watch a flame flicker. The highway's cool, but a dirt road sticker. Add to the back with a full tank of gas. Windows rolled down, foot heavy on the gas. And when the dirt road's calling my name, it's something that I just can't shake. Riding down through the water, ripples and the hollers, blaming on the way I was raised. 'Cause I was raised on work, eat dead, and you don't stop till the sun drops. Yeah, I was raised up like a bass out the creek, and my roots run deep like that old oak tree. A lot of things change, but you can't change me. No, it ain't much, but it's how I was raised up. Mama said don't grow up fast, you're only young one, so make it last. Like the last sip of whiskey in that flask, or the last Marlboro in that pack. The fire only burns till you run out of gas, and the lights turn off and the clock turns past. Your time on earth, and now you're in the dirt, cause that's where you started first. I love the way that a porch swing sings, like the sound of Amazing Grace. Like a bobber on the water, Sunday at the altar. Some things just don't change. I was raised on handed down land. I was brought up reading them words in red. A man only eats by the work he did, and you don't stop till the sun drops. Yeah, I was raised up like a bass out the creek, and my roots run deep like that old oak tree. A lot of things change, but you can't change me. No, it ain't much, but it's how I was raised up.